Is Franco here? Yeah, do you want to see him? Yeah. Go on, meet your Mexican! Yeah. Look at all these. You're absolutely beautiful. Oh, he's a babe. Hi, Franco. He's not as small as what he used to be. Here you go. Oh, it's like a real baby. Thanks, I get to have it all. Oh, thanks. Yes, we are kids. No, we are kids. We are. Oh. I might have to get
Kiss
one.
anything, that dog.
It's a kissy dog. It's a lovable dog.
Not fussy, is it?
You love everybody. Do you love having a dog? House isn't a home without a dog. He's so fun.
Devastated. I was let's get £100 out
How are the black peas, alright?
Horrible. Who did them?
Christine.
Very nice then.
What do you say, Mary? I did them.
Very nice then.
Kids, look at those 3 children there. Oh my God, they'll be farting forever.
You should take them home.
Why do you keep trying to get rid of your kids? After a night
If
off?
you didn't sleep, right, for a year, I think you would as well.
Well, I haven't slept for a year because she snores every night.
I bet you do as well.
Look at the mothers there. Jeffrey and Beryl. Remember that program? The lovers.
I thought we were about one, it's like we're funny.
No. Because we said Benji's going to be here, Franco's going to be here, Miss Dudley and Dobby's going to be here as well. What's that firework?
Oh, that got your attention.
Charming. You always have to spoil some good footage.
I was talking about Joe's snotty nose.
Joe's what?
Snotty nose.
Good job you got talking about
And
his...
he's big.
Pardon? What have you had, black peas?
No, my mum did.
What have you had?
Black peas.
You like them?
No, my mum had them.
Wait.
Oh, calm down. Are you liking the fireworks?
Why do you come in there?
What's your name again? Sheridan. Oh yeah, it's a nice name that.
Please don't get me on camera, Dave.
Oh,
Excuse me.
got any what?
Newspaper.
No.
Yes.
Why? What have you done to the fire? It was all right before.
Alright, you put too many coals on top of it. And killed it.
You know, men can't do anything.
Well, this is burning very well.
It's still making less smoke than this.
Right, there are a couple of here for that. I didn't get my drink.
But Sunday line filming me.
Please, let me come in.
How can I be your favourite son-in-law?
You got 2 different ones together, so it looks better.
You're just trying to get rid of them quicker, aren't you?
We're on 4 packs now. It's endless.
4 packs?
I think we've done 4. How many boxes have we done now? 4?
I think this is a 4-4.
The man's here, then.
Yeah.
Those are the little ones. You double them up. It's not too bad.
I'll get you when you want to.
What?
We're on the field for the big ones.
Yeah, for the rockets and stuff, yeah.
Do one rocket. I think you'll be alright, mate. No,
We do our box. One of our
You
boxes.
can't send rockets up here,
course you
it's
can.
going to land on somebody's house.
of course you can.
Well, if you go on the
Even
field.
that way over at field with. They've got things, haven't they?
You've got people's houses over that way.
Days, they don't go forever, you
Right,
know.
listen, have you seen the size of the rockets they brought? We can't do
It's
them
made
here.
of rockets.
We'll just take them all. Just take them all onto the field after.
Yeah, we could have some pie and then take them onto the field.
Some are pretty crap, aren't they?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're trying to do one of those.
Do you want to do your name? There was Sir. Her.
And across.
You got to do that now, yeah?
That's alright though. Like a barbecue.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, but barbecues don't stay split.
Do you like it?
That's it.
Yeah.
Come here.
What's this one?
Devil's bacon. That's nice.
You're alright, the Kel's editing this.
Hey? Better, isn't it?
That was well good, that one, weren't it? Oh, hang on.
Oh,
Is that it?
no, don't go back
Don't go
to
back
it
to it,
yet.
yeah, they have. I'm saying about fireworks. Bloody crackers!
Don't you think it's going to go again?
I'm finished yet.
How do you know?
Because you can tell.
Hold on. Chris.
I think that's it.
Go.
Alright, Jordan.
Hi Dave, you alright? How you doing?
Yeah, not so bad.
Danny, this is my stepdad Dave.
Yes, Newt, well done, lad. Good start, Newt. Hey, Josh, you blew someone's house up. Don't worry, we're building up, we're just letting them know we're here.
Give us a packet, I'm going to take it back.
No, these are mine.
Yeah, you can stick it in the car further up.
Are you gonna get it?
Is this one of yours, this, Kim?
You're supposed to be 15 metres back.
15 metres back from that, Josh.
About 15, I reckon.
No, 25 for the rockets. Yes, run away, Sam!
What? Is there any black peas left? Yeah. I might have some of them in a bit.
His mind went a bit crazy for 2 seconds and that was it. He could have made a mistake for life.
Is it alright, the pie? How come he's got out here?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe. Soon as he's got used to he's not getting any food, he'll be humping him.
I mean, I was speaking
He had a wee inside when we first got him. He had a wee outside and I gave him a treat and ever since then. He knows if he gets hungry and wants a treat, he'll go outside, do the tiniest little wee, and then come inside and sit near his treats. Honestly, like the old dribble bar.
You shovel it up in the morning.
Sarah before I went down, she went, oh, I've got food bags.
He had a poo outside. The first little poo he was like,
Oh my god,
They're on the desk at college somewhere.
Look at it.
I used to sit in the
Oh shit.
my friend went, when the cookies
Don't worry, it's not pointing at you, mate.
Josh, we're looking for
My girlfriend.
You did it.
Only as long as I allow it.
Alright, there, she's got a face as well.
Evolution! Jack. Josh.
Jack! That's Josh.
They're a bit dangerous.
Pathetic. What was that one, sir?
Which one? That one?
That end one there, whack attack. Whack attack.
Cracker. No, it says crackadoo.
Oh, that one there.
That one.
The big one.
Whack attack. We'll save that till last.
What's that thing there?
This one.
Oh, that orange thing there.
That?
Oh, this one. This.
They're steak things, aren't they? Should we do them next?
You're like a retard, dude. This
Get any more? This last box.
This is the last box, this one. No, we've been at it for 4 hours.
Yeah, so it'll be 2 animals, make the same as one animal but act like an animal.
Don't film this.
Annabelle!
Tell him to put his camera away.
Annabelle!
Dave, put your camera
Do we have
away.
to
Alright, I
two
will.
animals?
No, you don't. These lot do.
Yeah, Griffin's with us.
Oh yeah, Griffin. Yeah, you do. Right.
You're not turning timer over there.
So which one? No, let me just get the.
Griffin,
No.
we've done this one
Let me just get
before,
all the
haven't we?
movements of each one.
Crossbreed, I like crossbreed.
That's what he said.
Right.
Cow and a rabbit. Cow and a rabbit.
Kangaroo and a cow.
Kangaroo and a cow.
Fish!
Dolphin.
Shark.
Shark. Whale.
Pass on.
Can I pass on them? Yeah,
Yeah, pass.
pass on them.
Penguin! Penguin and...
Yeah, crow, penguin, a crow. I'll pass that one. Woof, 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 woof.
Dog and a monkey.
We played this one before, so
That's
you were
free.
cheating there.
That's 3 day. Yeah?
3. You got 3.
Chicken and a cat.
Chicken and cat!
What do you eat on Christmas Day?
Turkey and a cat.
I don't think you're allowed to speak.
Right, I've done them all. I've done them
Yeah, we've done it all.
5.
4 out of 5.
all.
4 out of 5.
Horse basis. We're blue.
I think
1, 2.
Go on, Ed.
Oh, what was this green thing?
So he's cheating now.